Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of Redmi 5A. So let's see the specification of this box of this device. So we have 5-inch display, 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 2 SIM card slot, and the processor is Snapdragon 425. It also has 3000 mAh battery. So let's unbox this device. I was able to get a gold variant of this Redmi 5A. So let's take a look at it. So the build quality is quite decent for a phone of rupees 5000. So let's take a look closely. So in front we have the 3.5mm audio jack, IR blaster and the mic. Here we have the volume buttons and the power button. Moving forward, we have the USB port, the secondary mic and the speaker. Also, this device has two slots. In the first slot we have memory card and SIM card, and in second slot is for SIM card. So it has a 5-inch HD display. Now let's boot this device. So let's quickly set up the device. Okay, so to complete the setup, it will require some time. Until then, let's see the contents in the box. So here we have the user manual and the USB data cable. Also the pin for slot and the adapter. Okay, so now our device has been completely booted up. So let's see some of its specification. So let's go to the camera first. It has 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. So let's take a look at the options. So here are the various settings provided for the 13 megapixel rear camera. So these are some of the images taken by the back camera, and this is of the front camera. Also, this device has Android 7.1 version, Android version. Now coming to the specification, so it is a quad-core device. Has 2 GB RAM, internal storage is 16 GB, and 8 GB is available. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.